All right, happy solar eclipse day. And what am I doing on solar eclipse day? Rigging up brackets for these two 50-watt Newpowa solar panels, which I'm going to tie into Gizmo. And I'm going to mount these suckers right up there. Right? I've got 400 watts for the garden pond system, and I'm going to mount two of them up here for 100 watts, bury the cable, and then run it up here for Gizmo. So I have a semi-permanent power source for out here for telephone charging, Bluetooth charging, or what have you. But check this out. I really need to get a PhD in solar bracketing. I thought I was smart, but I really screwed these up big time. And the brackets are too damn big for these little 50 watters. And this is the one I made last night, just kind of threw it together. And you see how this is on the inside right here? So how the hell am I going to mount this to a 2x4? Try to get a drill in there. So this one I made correctly. This is the way it needs to be. So this guy's on the outside here, so I'll be able to get a T25 wood screw in there, no problem. And when this thing is setting up on the fence, these guys right here are going to have to be cut off because these will be protruding out. So I'll have to get these guys out and chop them off when I'm done. And the included hardware, for the most part, is okay. Soft Chinese M6 and M8. But I went with quarter 20 on everything because I had a ton of them left over, and they're hardened and they're just stronger. And I just haven't had much luck with the cheap Chinese stuff, and I'm in Oklahoma, so I need something strong. So I dug into my parts bin and got busy with standard SAE 7/16 inch quarter 20 hardware. And I had a shy ton left of these Nylox, which I did hard point, no wing nut, and then adjustable wing nut here. But these aren't cinched down like 100%. They're like, I don't know, 60-70%, so you can still move them a little bit. Then once I get it up there, I can harden them down, but it's still adjustable, which is cool. But these are going to go up today over there because that's where the most sun is. I just want to keep it simple and sweet, and it turns out to be hours worth of dangling with screws and reading directions and all this. But other than that, these are pretty stout brackets. Expensive, but they're aluminum, so they won't rust out, which is good, and they're paintable, of course. And the other thing too, you can see here, they're opposite. So when that thing is up there, the junction boxes, the where the diode box wires are, they're going to be butted up to each other instead of, opposite ends. So it'll be close, so the wiring will be a lot more gooder. So that's it. Pergola's doing great. Had to do some rewiring up here on this combiner for this big array, and I got this all prettied up with new cedar, bolted into the brick, good and solid, looks good, needs staining. This side came out perfect. This is all for Mr. Prying Eyes right there, who stands right there, and just as soon as I open up my door, he's freaking looking at me. And then over here, I did this side too, but I ran out of wood to do right here, so I'm gonna get with the contractor and get about 6 more pieces. And my neighbor came by yesterday to see how I did the gap with wood, and I'm gonna help him do that because I got a lot of screws left over, and he's older, and I just want to help him out. He's a good guy. But I got that all done pretty too. So yeah, I'll have 400 right up there, 100 watt mini, 250 watt panels, really small ones right here. I already got the cable. I'll just put it right down here, good to go. And there you have it. No solar It's gonna be a good day for a solar eclipse looking. Oh, you see? Haven't seen anything yet. But I'll be out here bediddle-danking with this stuff, so I'll watch it. I may pop a video out. So there you have it.